Hey guys, here Jake is tech support with the easiest fix for the iPhone 4 signal lossage. If you hold your hand over this side, the left side of the phone, the easiest fix for it is just putting a simple rubber band over it. This works fine. See this rubber band on it? Rubber band. You can use, the only thing is you can't use the audio jack. That's the absolute only thing you can't do with this on. But why would you be listening to music and calling somebody at the same time? So anyways, basically, okay, here, I'll prove it. Alright, so here, let me turn it this way. Right now, this way. Alright, so hand off, full bars, hand on. Not going down, never going down. Squeezing it hard too. T-A, ta, T-ta. And we got, no, it's backwards, I'm kidding. Yeah, but that's the easiest fix, guys. I'll put this up on my blog on my website. And yeah. So, you're welcome, I guess. Here, let me take it off and show you that this phone is not fake. Okay. On, or not on? On. See it dropping? See, no rubber band, I'm holding it right now, signal's dropping. Yep, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and I hope this video helped you out today, and that's what I try to do every video, so thanks for watching and goodbye.